You don't see a lot of Scotchman bandsaws out there, but when you do, they typically need the carbide guides for them, and we have those carbide guides here in stock. We also manufacture bandsaw blades custom for the Scotchman bandsaw. The primary parts that we sell for Scotchman bandsaws are the carbide guides and the custom welded bandsaw blades. Since we have so many different bandsaw blades, we can custom weld whatever you need, whether you're cutting structural, bar, tubing, but we can get you the exact bandsaw blade you need for your application. You can call the customer service line and we can place the order for you, or you can place it right there online by just adding the cart. But once that order comes in, the ball becomes in our court. We take that order very seriously. We box it up, we package it, we ship everything within 24 hours, but that's not where our responsibility ends. We follow through with customer service. We make sure that you have the tools and the know-how to get that blade to function the best and how to install those guides on the saw.